Certainly has, Denise, and it looks like those temperatures are going to be kind of up and down over the next few days. We'll call it the temperature roller coaster. Some days near 50, other days down near freezing. And one of those days near freezing, we actually get some wintry weather across our area. So let's start with your neighborhood forecast overnight tonight. From Frederick County to Baltimore County down to Howard County, we're looking at lows tonight, generally into the low to mid 40s. So really, it's not going to be overly cold. It'll be chilly, but not as cold as it typically would be here for this time of year. Part of the reason for that, got a warm front making its way through the region. Clouds overnight tonight, actually going to keep things a little bit warmer here across the area. First alert Doppler radar, not tracking any rain right now. Temperatures across the region here in Baltimore, 46 degrees, Annapolis 45, Easton 50, Frederick at 43. Out towards Fort Meade, we're looking at 43 degrees. Westminster into the mid 40s as well. 45 out towards Thurmont, and rising sun at 42. Aberdeen, Bel Air over on the eastern shore. Right now we're looking at readings around 49 for Oxford and Talbot County. And winds are light out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those winds will become northerly later tomorrow, and as a result of that, it's going to help pull some colder air down in the region, and that's what's going to set us up for that opportunity for some wintry weather coming up as early as Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. Low temperatures again across the metro, expecting readings mainly into the mid 40s here, especially inside the Beltway. Curtis Bay tonight down to 43, Pikesville at 43, 42 for Towson overnight tonight. There are your clouds that are in place right now. Again, this front's going to make its way through the region tomorrow, and it'll push south of the area. You can see there it is right there. Skies should eventually clear out, so I do think we'll see a little bit of sunshine tomorrow. Temperatures again will be in the 50s for highs for tomorrow, but then it's going to be a lot colder on Wednesday as the cold air wedge starts to move its way into the region. That cold air combined with moisture spilling over the top of it coming up Wednesday evening and the Wednesday night is going to create that potential for some wintry weather across our area. You can see all the pink that's shaping up. That is ice that's likely going to be falling across the region. Now, the way things look, we're going to have a period of icy weather from Wednesday night through Thursday morning, and then it'll change to all rain. But it's going to be during that Wednesday night time frame that we expect some of that icy weather to cause some problems across the region. The latest trend has the more significant ice north and west of Baltimore. In the Baltimore area itself, we're expecting a light glaze, and that's really all you need to cause problems on the roadways. So maybe about 1/10 of an inch of ice, if that, here in the metro. You get a little bit farther towards the west and north, we could see some freezing rain totals getting up to around 1/4 of an inch, which would cause a little bit of accumulation on the trees and power lines, but it's not going to be enough to cause any power outages. We do not anticipate, at least not that in our area, not looking at an ice storm. So just a bit of an inconvenience here for, looks like Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then most of that should start to change over to rain, and then the issue should be over with by that point. But we're going to have a couple of opportunities. Another storm coming in on Saturday that could bring the same kind of situation to our area. Highs tomorrow, though, low to mid 50s across the board, so enjoy the day. Here's a look at your first alert 7-day forecast. Those alert days for Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, and a Thursday morning for the potential for some wintry weather that could cause some travel problems across the area. Back up to 50 for Thursday afternoon, and then 51 for Friday, and then colder again as we head into the weekend with that next chance for a wintry mix Saturday morning into Saturday afternoon. We'll be right back.